Hey everyone, welcome back to Hook, Line, and Thinker. Launching out of the Long Island boat ramp. Got my son with me. We're gonna just do a little fun fishing. Didn't sign up for a tournament, didn't sign up for a monthly. Just gonna hang out, see what we can do. Maybe we'll bring some fish home. Once you feel like you're comfortable with it, then we can go closer to the dock, and then you can start to fish the dock. Look, look, look. A little guy. It's just a little guy. The teeny guy. For now, you can, yeah. Keep going. Get your net. Scoop them. Pull them close with your rod. Pick your rod up higher. There you go. Go. Go, you got them.
It's a tiny one.
Hey, they don't have to be big. We're not going to keep the little ones though, okay? All right, so now put the net between your legs by your feet with the fishy. Let out some more line. Let the net go. Let out some more line. See how now you have space? Now put your net, your rod in your holder. Whoop, it's okay. It's okay. So do you want to try to take them off?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna pull you up a little closer. So what you're gonna do, so you see in his mouth, you see the teeth? Okay. You're gonna put your thumb over those and into his mouth. Hold on. Doesn't matter. Whichever one you're more comfortable with holding. So put it in. There you go. And hold it tight. Got it? Now, with the other hand, I'm gonna let it go.
Oh, feels weird.
Yep. Now with that hand, take the hook out. And drop the hook into the water.
It's hard.
Yep. Give it a good push. Let me see. Yep. It's just because where you hooked them. Okay. So hold them again. You want to hold them like that? Yep. Hold them like that. I'm going to put this in the water. Now the hook is not where we can get hooked, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to take a picture of you for mommy. Hold on, I'm not ready yet. Hold on. Ready? All right, hold them like sideways. Pick them up. Yeah. Ready? All right, and I'm gonna take a video of you putting them in the water. Go ahead. Just flop them in. And away he goes.
That felt weird on my skin.
There's a fish. Little guy, little teeny guy. Sergio! Little perch. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
All right, these ones have kind of strong gills, so we gotta be careful holding it, okay?
Yeah. I had to get out my boat because it was so shallow.
I saw.
Yeah.
Come up closer. So see where my fingers are?
Mm-hmm.
Give me your paddle. That's where you're gonna hold them. Like this.
That?
See the spikes on his tail? On his top?
Just get me.
I caught him right here, so we can catch him here.
Okay.
So throw him right here. There's a whole bunch of them under me. Get him, Surge. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep going. Is it a fish or are you stuck on the rocks? Keep going. You're stuck on the rocks again. Reel it, reel it, reel it. All right, all done. Had about 5 hours on the water with my son. Threw a paddle tail most of the day. Some really small bass and one perch. He hooked a few trees, got snagged a few times, but he's learning. He wants to come out again, so maybe we'll let him. Didn't catch any fish to take home, nothing to fillet. But I wasn't coming out here for dinner. I was coming out here to have a good time.